Today I'm going to try this Ottogi noodle snack, and it's a barbecue flavor. It says, don't boil it, smash it. It says first open it and then take out the spice packet. And then you got to smash the noodles. And open up the spice packet and put it in. Okay, and then it says, close the egg in. Okay. Then you can eat it. Oh, that's a big piece. So they still look like, noodles, but they're dry. That does have a barbecue flavor, a little different than American barbecues flavors. It might be because the barbecue sauce is soy sauce based. Yeah, these are really good. Nice crunchy snack. So I'm going to give these an A. So I'm going to take another bite and I'll see you in the next one.